Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests. Carbon dioxide transport is a classic biology question that you can master in seconds. Let us break down exactly how this small molecule enters cells. First, we must identify the properties of carbon dioxide. It is a very small nonpolar molecule, which means it can easily pass through the hydrophobic core of the lipid bilayer. Next, we determine the transport mechanism. Since it moves from high to low concentration without needing energy or helper proteins, we classify this specific movement as a form of passive transport. Finally, we select simple diffusion because the molecule crosses the membrane directly. This makes option A the correct choice for our biology problem today. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid the rush and watch signs. Trust the given info and check steps.